What is up, YouTube? My name is Jen Neal from Resin Inspired, and welcome back. I pulled the back off. The resin is absolutely flawless on here. It really is an awesome piece, just head on in the sunshine. So that was the one, and then the video I'm getting ready to show you. This guy I got at Dollar Tree, but it's a tempered glass hot plate. So the glass is thicker. They come in circles and squares. They're $1 a piece. These are my resin bloom technique pieces. Like I said, the recipe is in Art Addicts, and there's links and discount coupon codes in the description. Oh my gosh, look at that. All right, here we go. I have a new contraption, and I'm going to share it with you guys right now. I have no idea if it's going to work. I have no idea how I think up this kind of stuff. But my brain, if there was a light switch, I would love to turn it to the off button, because I can't stop thinking about what I can come up with next. And sometimes it's really cool, and other times it drives me crazy. Like a blessing and a curse all in one. You know, my girl Lucy and her Lucy thing. So yeah, we modified Lucy and we put a not so Lucy thing on her. This is the top of a water bottle. This tape, Karen turned me on to this tape when she came to visit me from Waterfall Acrylics. So I tested it already, not with paint, but it works, man. You know, like a year ago, I did a funnel, and it was like this really long funnel that like hung out like that far. And I was like, this is so ridiculous. But then I was just staring at my water bottle, and I was like, look at that. And then on TikTok, people were doing that silly little thing where they were going over with water bottles to somebody and be like, look, look, look. And then when they looked down, they'd squeeze it. So yeah, I guess that's kind of where the weed grew. Anyway, no, this is glass. We need clear. You guys think what you want, and you're probably right. Like, this artist is just out of her mind. Yes, I'm out of my mind. Untinted base on glass. I know you see stuff underneath. I actually did a pour before, and I hated it. So I'm just going to scrub off the bottom when, you know, sometime. Anyway, I have my leftover colors from yesterday from the pour that you saw on my glass. So I'm not going to go through it again. If you want to see the previous video, I will post it. I just saw anomaly go that way. We got to get it. And there you go. Nope, can't go over. Now this is round, so I can't like really stop stuff from going over the edge too much. I mean, I can put a little stick there, but you can also get these at Harbor Freight. If you, there it is. I got you, sucker. Get out. Sorry, I'm all fired up for my, when I come up with something like that, I get real ridiculous. First we need our black. Jen likes to go overboard, like above and beyond, and overthink, overpour. That's like a dark turquoise. Now we got our orange. Is that all it really? No. You know me, we need more orange, like pronto. Now gold. Somebody asked me in the other video, you listed 3 colors when you were pouring one down. Did you mix all them? I said, oh yeah. For you guys who don't know me, I mix everything. A little bit of purple. I think I'm going to do some interference gold. A little more black right here. Yes. Now our cell activator. I'm just going to try to float it because I know this sucker is heavy. Last thing, I did have some color shift that I wanted to kind of like, yeah, kind of thing. I wonder if I should, let's give it a little puff. There we go. Oh, wait a minute, we need to bring this like that. Oh, I'm like blowing stuff off my table. It's crazy. Oh, here we go. Like wild. Like, yes. And up. Okay. Yeah, I definitely need a bigger piece to play with this kind of thing on. But that's kind of cool, right? Let's see if we can. Like that, right? Like, oh my gosh. This girl is just out of her freaking mind. Like, what? Oh my god, what is she doing? I don't want to lose like that and that. Can I hold you there? Yeah, like that. Okay. Yeah, I do not recommend a small piece. We're going straight up this time. Like, for real. I need, oh, there goes my heart. Yeah, I almost grabbed the white. That's crazy, right? And then just like, you can kind of give it a little push. You don't want to like really mess with it too much because it can cause bubbles. But I just wanted to hook it a little bit. I'm really not worried about bringing it all over the edge. I'm really trying to conquer this negative space demon that I keep dealing with, like thinking that negative space is like not okay. So we'll just let a little bit run over. We are conquering our negative space demon. Now you guys can't see it, but I can see all of that interference in the clear base, basically. Now let's bring it back. Actually, that was kind of cool. Maybe I should have just... God, I always second guess myself. There's a saying, you know, think long, think wrong. Used to be like when I was playing cards and stuff. Now let's bring this straight down. Nope. I think that is wild and wacky. And I love me some wild and wacky. I love me some wild and wacky. Yep. I've made the executive decision. We are leaving it. Thanks for watching my video, guys. There's a bunch of videos right here that you can continue watching, and I also offer private lessons. You're welcome to comment or message me